Radon gas is a naturally occurring byproduct of the breakdown of radium. Unfortunately, it can cause cancer in humans. Anytime there's a change to your foundation, such as a drain tile system, egress window, addition, etc., radon testing should be done. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends a NEHA-certified radon mitigator like Standard Water Control do the testing and mitigation. We've installed radon mitigation systems in hundreds of homes, designing and installing systems with the right suction points, PVC, fan size, and alarms that meet code and, most importantly, reduce radon levels. A Standard Water representative will meet with you to determine where the radon system will be installed. Holes are drilled in the wall, soffit, and roof to provide access for the exhaust pipe. The exhaust pipe is pushed up through a boot at least 1 foot above the roofline to ensure any downdrafts won't force radon gas into open doors or windows. The other end of the exhaust pipe connects to the fan housing. Then the whole unit is secured to the exterior wall. A vacuum monitor is installed indoors. It's used as a visual check to see the fan is working. The homeowner will conduct a radon test after installation to ensure radon is reduced to an acceptable level. Standard Water Control is certified by NEHA as a residential mitigation provider. We're licensed, bonded, and insured. When it comes to the safety of your family, you can rely on Standard Water Control.